In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a font on iPhone. While Apple does not allow you to change the system-wide font on an iPhone, there are several useful options available to customize your text experience. You can adjust the text size, make your text bold for better visibility, and even install custom fonts for specific apps. Each of these options offers a unique way to enhance your reading and writing experience on your device. Let's dive into the steps. First, we will change the text size. Begin by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. You can find the Settings icon on your home screen. It looks like a gear. Tap on it and you will see a list of options. This step is crucial because adjusting your text size can greatly improve readability, especially if you find the default text too small or too large for your comfort. Next, tap on Display and Brightness. This menu controls various display settings, including brightness and text settings. Scroll down a little and you will find the text size option. Tap on it to proceed. Here you will see a slider that allows you to adjust the text size. This slider is quite intuitive. Drag it to the right to make the text larger or to the left to make it smaller. As you adjust the slider, you will notice the sample text size changing in real time. This immediate feedback helps you find the perfect setting for your needs. Once you have found your desired text size, simply exit the settings. The new text size applies to apps that support dynamic type. This ensures that your changes are reflected across various applications, making your overall experience more consistent and comfortable. Now let's move on to making the text bold. Start again by opening the Settings app. Navigate back to the Display and Brightness section, just like before. This is an important feature, as bold text can enhance visibility, especially in bright lighting conditions or for those with visual impairments. Once you are in Display and Brightness, look for the option labeled Bold Text. Tap on it and you will see a toggle switch. Turn on bold text by sliding the switch to the right. At this point, your iPhone may prompt you with a message to confirm the change. If prompted, tap Continue. Your device may briefly restart to apply this change. This quick restart is a small price to pay for improved readability, and it ensures that your settings take effect properly. Finally, let's discuss custom fonts. To install custom fonts, you will need to use compatible apps such as Pages, Keynote, or Microsoft Word. Custom fonts allow for greater creativity in documents and presentations. However, keep in mind that installed fonts will only be available in apps that support custom fonts. They will not change the font in the home screen, settings, messages, or most built-in interface elements. It's also important to note that you cannot change the system font used by iOS without unsupported modifications like jailbreaking. This is a crucial point, as jailbreaking can void your warranty and expose your device to security risks. Always consider the implications of such actions. In summary, while changing the system font is not possible on an iPhone, you have several effective options to enhance your text experience. Adjusting text size, making it bold, and installing custom fonts are all excellent ways to personalize your device. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find these tips helpful in making your iPhone experience more enjoyable.